Hello everyone, welcome back to Monty Labs. Today I want to show you something I've been working on. I think is super useful for anyone managing Docebo LMS. This is MonteyIQ. It's an independent AI-powered expert I built under the Monty Labs brand, specifically configured for the Docebo platform. It's not affiliated with Docebo in any way. It's a third-party tool that lives right on your desktop and knows Docebo LMS platform from the inside out. No more digging through documentation, no more waiting on support tickets for the basic stuff. But let me just show you how it works. So one of the first things you'll notice here at the top, you've got every Docebo module. You have Learn, Shape, Analytics, Engage, APIs, Single Sign-On, Certificates, Analytics. You select the module you're working on. Let's say it would be Shape or Engage or Connect. And then the assistant scopes its answers to that context. Now, on the right here, you got some quick prompts. These are the most common tasks preloaded, so you can just click one of them, and below you will get the response. So let's see, it'll give you step by step. This is how you can take care of this situation. It'll give you a Python script. It'll give you an API reference, and also give you a bash shell script as well. Now you can copy it, save script, click the API docs, or you can get some tier 3 help, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. And each one, like I said, I picked the most common ones, and so you can adjust those, but for right now, I'll show you later how to do that, but for right now, just these are the ones that are going to be displayed. Now let me just show you how the custom prompts here work. Let me think of something. Let's see, single sign-on, config, something like, I guess like that. You hit run query, and then it will give you configuring single sign-on for a Coda and Docebo uses XML 2.0. Follow steps to establish trust relationship between the IDP and the Docebo. And so it gives you the steps for this, as well as that Python script I talked about, and as well as the shell and any references that you may need. So now under the quick prompts is the knowledge base. Now you can, some of these are the generic ones that you can find online that I've added in here into the documentation. And like right here, Docebo REST API documentation, the release notes. But you can also add your own special documentation to your knowledge base, specific to a client. Single sign-on configurations, kind of a thing, like for the client tech corp, client config, for an Acme corporation, etc. Okay, so now let's go ahead and talk about the tier 3 support. This desktop application is really geared to handle tier 1 and tier 2 types of support. However, for very specialized incidences or specialized to a specific client or to a different kind of configuration, if you have to make a custom one, there is help available through a live support consultant. Let's see, let's go ahead and click that one. And right now we're using Freshdesk Live Support. I'm very familiar with Freshdesk, but it's not just tailored to Freshdesk. You can connect it to Zendesk or any other ticket-based platform. But for my purposes, since I worked with Freshdesk a lot, I'm using that, but it is interchangeable. So in the case of this demo, since I am not currently connected to a Freshdesk Live Chat person, a human being, I'm having one of my AI agents that I use for another platform within simulator trainings. I'm having them be the live consultant. And this one is named Sarah. She's a tier 3 specialist. She's a certified architect, Docebo certified architect, able to handle vast kinds of issues. Well, anyways, but let's go right here. So when you first enter, a ticket ID is automatically created. It comes in with the time and the session ID, and you'll be converted, just like with most online chat forums, with a greeting. Hi, I'm Tier 3 LMS Specialist. Hi, working with MonteyIQ, and you need some additional. I'm a certified Docebo solutions, yada, yada. What can I help you with? And the issue, like you're having, like I was saying back, it's Tier 3. Let's say you have a busted single sign-on config in production or weird API behavior, and you just can't figure it out. The AI system has been helpful, but you have one of those situations where you need a human in the loop, and that's where this this part of the system comes into help. So before I go on and what are these icons for, and what are these quick actions for and everything, let's go ahead and test the prompt. So let's just say I'm getting 401 errors on my API calls, and then just like any other platform, hit send. Sarah's thinking, great question. I've dealt with this exact scenario. The keys ensure your API credentials have the correct scope permissions. And then, the conversation will go back and forth, to whatever needs or issues that you may have. Now, the thing about that, what also this part of the system allows is that you can request a screen share. So let's say if your specialist needs to see what exactly you're seeing, you can offer that. You can request a call. Let's say you have a meeting to go to or whatever that may be. You can request a call back, or you can escalate this and just create a ticket in itself. But however, let's say that you're talking to the specialist, the Tier 3 specialist, and you want to send them some documentation or whatever that may be. Well, you can simply just minimize this and then go back to get whatever documentation that you may need, and then just click the little button back, and you're right back into the conversation. And let's see, you have a search search feature, and then you also have the same icon over here for request a callback, and then a little icon paperclip where you can attach PDF documentations as well as just text documentation, Word documentations, those type of things. And then some FAQs on the side over here, some resources that you may be given. Let's see. Yeah, that's about it that I want to touch on to this part. So now let's go ahead, and everything's great. She helped, or you created a ticket because you wanted a call back or an email back or something like that. So let's just go ahead and end the session. Then after you do that, once the session is ended, an email of the transcript will be sent to you, and also will be sent to the live support agent that was assisting you. Let's say like you created a ticket, or you were in a queue and you didn't want to wait in the queue or whatever that it may be. They have documentation there so somebody can contact you. Okay, that's MonteyIQ, which is an independent AI assistant built by Monty Labs. This one is configured specifically for Docebo LMS. I have two other ones that are going to be coming out that's configured for Cornerstone On Demand as well as Moodle. But all of them will have all of them will have the basics of a prompt script area. It'll have knowledge bases. It'll have Tier 3 integration for the consultant. Even with this one, like I stated earlier, we'll offer Tier 1 and Tier 2 type of support. I consider Tier 1 basically anything that you can find within the developer documentation online. Tier 2 would be more of the quick prompts, type of kind of questions that you may not find necessarily within the documentation. And then again, the Tier 3 one is more complex, very specific to a client, or where you need that extra bit of expertise behind you. But as I stated, I hope you enjoyed this demo. I will be coming out with the companion app, the mobile companion app for this configuration as well. So I hope you like this this demo, hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. And I'll catch you in the next one.